Starting around 23 January 2024, Chilliz in a real sense is exchanging at $0.0978 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.82% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they truly thought. CHZ especially has a genuinely complete market cap of $869,424,963, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $187,807,829 in a quite large manner. This sort of makes Chilliz, CHZ, beautiful positioning at 69 in the digital money market, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2024, what will Chilliz in every practical sense be certainly worth in 2024, which generally is genuinely critical. Is Chilliz a truly wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024 in an in every way that really matters, significant way? Will CHZ cost for the most part outperform its unequaled sort of high in an in every way that really matters, significant way? These for the most part are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ'(S) future in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2024, as per the Chilliz figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the CHZ cost especially is supposed to truly cross in every practical sense, normal value level of $0.1454, the normal kind of least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to generally be $0.1403 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, CHZ can generally arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.1721, which truly is very huge. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation January 2024. With respect to January 2024, Chilliz cost in every way that really matters is gauged to basically arrive at a practically the most minimal cost of $0.0979 in a kind of significant manner. The CHZ cost could essentially arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $0.1113, with the typical expected cost around $0.1082, which most certainly is very huge. Chilliz value gauge February 2024, the sort of normal cost of Chilliz, CHZ, could generally go to $0.1115 toward the finish of February 2024, or so they most certainly thought. CHZ could explicitly be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.1156, with the base expected cost of $0.1063, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chilliz value expectation walk 2024, the cost of Chilliz truly is fundamentally anticipated to explicitly reach at an especially least worth of $0.1096 in walk 2024, which shows that Chilliz value gauge February 2024, the genuinely normal cost of Chilliz, CHZ, could explicitly go to $0.1115 toward the finish of February 2024 in an in every practical sense, significant way. The CHZ cost could generally arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $0.1201, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.1148 all through 2024, which is very huge. CHZ value conjecture April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Chilliz sort of is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at a very least value worth of $0.1119 in an all things considered significant way. The CHZ cost could in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.1258, with the very normal cost around $0.1171 in an exceptionally significant manner. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Chilliz cost especially is conjectured to by and large arrive at an in a real sense, the least cost of $0.1143, or so they for the most part thought. The CHZ cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest cost of $0.1317, with the extremely normal expected cost around $0.1194 in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Chilliz explicitly is supposed to basically be at around a fundamentally least of $0.1177, which essentially is genuinely huge. Chilliz cost can in a real sense arrive at a truly limit of $0.1365, with the by and large normal cost of $0.1218 in United States dollars in a huge way. Chilliz value gauge July 2024, The kind of normal cost of Chilliz (CHZ) could essentially go to $0.1267 toward the finish of July 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. CHZ could generally be exchanging around a kind of most extreme worth of $0.1413, with the really least expected cost of $0.1226, which in a real sense is very critical. Chilliz CHZ value estimate August 2024. The Chilliz CHZ cost for August 2024 may for the most part arrive at a very least worth of $0.1254, while the especially greatest gauge cost by and large is around $0.1464 in a kind of significant manner. The genuinely normal cost for CHZ in a real sense is anticipated to reach $0.1305 in August 2024, so Chilliz value gauge July 2024. The truly normal cost of Chilliz CHZ could generally go to $0.1267 toward the finish of July 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz CHZ value expectation September 2024. The cost for Chilliz in September 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.1303 and $0.1529, which in every practical sense is very huge. While the typical exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.1344 in a by and large significant manner. Chilliz value expectation October 2024. Chilliz cost generally is supposed to truly reach between $0.1320 to $0.1597 in October 2024, while the sort of typical cost of CHZ for the October really remains around $0.1371. Chilliz value gauge November 2024. In November 2024, the very most extreme cost for Chilliz could essentially stretch around $0.165 in an especially significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of CHZ in November 2024 for the most part is $0.1347 with a by and large normal cost of $0.1398. Pretty further appearance, how CHZ sort of has a fundamentally complete market cap of $869,424,963, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $187,807,829, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. CHZ value gauge December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Chilliz generally is supposed to really arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of $0.1403 in a very enormous manner. The CHZ cost could arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0.1721, with the typical cost around $0.1454, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Chilliz's cost in every practical sense has shown a kind of good increment of 4.06% as of now, which generally is very critical. Chilliz sort of is confronting a difficult time jumping